Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. Today is a quick video on how to connect MyBlindCo Calendar to your Google Calendar. Great benefit of that is you can get your business calendar on your phone through the Google Calendar app. So here I'm going to go, everybody, and you do this through the portal version. You log in as yourself. You come down to My Business User Profile. Here you'll see a big button that says sign in with Google. You click on this button and a Google authorization pop-up screen shows where you basically log into Google. It's usually your Gmail account, email, and your password there. And then also be a button that says authorize, and you'll authorize MyBlindCo to connect to your Google Gmail account. If you connect MyBlindCo Calendar to Google Calendar, please note that it probably makes sense to turn off your Google event notifications. That way you're not bombarding your customers with appointment confirmations, because when you add an appointment in MyBlindCo Calendar, we send the customer the appointment confirmation, and we also send a reminder email roughly 24 hours in advance. So it will, and once you add an appointment in MyBlindCo, it syncs on 30-minute intervals. So it's not instantaneous that you'll see the appointments on MyBlindCo on your Google Calendar. It'll trickle in, like I say, on 30-minute intervals. Customer's address, phone number, email, all get sent over. So to turn off event notifications, you just, in the Google Calendar app, you go to your calendar here. There's 3 dots. You click on that. Go to settings and sharing and scroll down until you see event notifications. So as you can see, I've turned off all notifications because Google can get a little crazy on that, 10 minutes beforehand, 24 hours beforehand. And we find that with the communication from MyBlindCo regarding the appointment, that's all customers usually need. So if you have any questions with connecting to Google, just let us know and we'll be happy to help troubleshoot. Thanks so much.